Here's a little side thing for everybody. Does anybody know what this is? An unusual looking clay thing. It's called, I'll try and zoom in here, it's called a Schlemmertopf. And our younger son brought it home. It's actually a cooking clay pot, and originally from Germany, I believe. I have never seen one before he brought it home, and we thought we'd give it a go. We've had a couple of meals in it so far. We've had chicken Maryland. Last night we had lamb. So I'll give you a little, that's the inside. So what you actually have to do, which I'm going to start to do now, you have to soak it in water for half an hour before you actually put it in the oven. So I'm going to fill up both sides. You don't need to hang around while you're watching the water go in. I'll come back to you. We're having chicken Maryland again tonight. I'll come back to you when that's ready to go in. But it is amazing. See you soon. So the Schlemmertopf is ready. It has been soaked for roughly half an hour. And here's our chicken Maryland. The other night I just coated it in French onion soup. I bought this French onion soup yesterday from Coles, and it was 55 cents a packet, which is a bargain. So yeah, just sprinkle it on like so, and then I just rubbed it in. It actually does give it a crispy finish. It's actually quite yummy too. Who would have thought French onion soup? So pop it in to the Schlemmertopf. Doesn't matter how, as long as it all goes in nicely. And then I just put the other night bits on the top and coated. So trying to do this with holding the camera and using my hand is a bit awkward. Now that is all you need in there. You do not need oil or anything. All the juice comes out of the chicken, and quite a lot of juice came out the other night, which I guess steams it in there. I'm not really, I've never done clay cooking before. This is the first time, but this is probably the most favourite thing in my kitchen at the moment. It is absolutely amazing. The food tastes sensational. My younger son Ben has used it, and he's actually put vegetables in it as well, so you can put anything in it. So I'm going to pop the lid on. That has been soaking as well. Pop it in the oven, let it go for roughly an hour. I've preheated the oven and the temperature is 180. I'll check it in an hour. I had to do the same the other night because the chicken was still a little bit pink on the inside, but nothing too much to worry about. So when it was pink the other night, I actually cut some little slits in the chicken, and it didn't take that long after that. So I'm going to pop you down again. We'll check in an hour and I'll show you where we're at. So this is after an hour in the Schlemmertopf. Not much juice has come out, which, yeah, okay, it did the other night. I've cut some slits in the top and it's still a little bit pink. So I'm thinking another half an hour to 45 minutes. So we will check back in again. Alright, so we are on. It is ready. That's a much better amount of juice that's come out, which is normal, so that extra 40 minutes did all the wonders in the world, and it's going to be nice easy dinner. The chicken Maryland with French onion soup, air fried steak chips, and a yummy Caesar salad. I can't wait to dig into it, and there will be more cooking in the Schlemmertopf in coming videos. See you soon. Bye.